could also do is just put the radio on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just enjoy. I mean, I don't have DAB, unfortunately.
Oh, this is fun.
Yeah, you just have the radio on. It's going to chill you out. It's if that's, you know, going to help, then it's only a good thing, right? I can't promise they're not going to play any Sabrina Carpenter though. Is this an actual song?
Yep.
Listen. Sorry, I can't do it, Connie. I just can't do it. That's not me. I am very much a 90s girl. I grew up in the 90s, so everything from that era basically. And this is just not, I just don't get it. Like, this is noise to me. It upsets me because I want to enjoy it, but I just can't.